What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's midday market recap. My name is Brad, and this is Own the Chaos, where we talk about everything over-the-counter penny stocks. And why do I do this? I love penny stocks. I love the volatility. I live for this stuff, and I've done so well at it that it's become my daily job. So this is what I do for a living. I trade stocks within the stock market, and I also have a free group of like-minded individuals who learn and grow and celebrate each other's success. And that is called We Trade HQ. It's at WeTradeHQ.com if you're interested in checking that out. The links are in the description below. We have almost 3,000 members within We Trade HQ. It is blowing up over the last month. Everybody loves the culture that we've built, and I don't know, it's just been an amazing ride so far in the month of January and the very beginning of 19. I'm so excited for what the rest of the year holds. If we keep growing at this rate, we're going to be huge, guys. It's going to be awesome. So I'm going to welcome some folks in here. Louise, Christopher, what's going on? Let some other folks trickle in here, but really some awesome follow-up here with EQLB, ARSN. We talked about this at Stockwatch Sunday. They are way up today. Good to see. I think that we're on to something there, and we'll go ahead and talk about where we're headed, where I think this could be going very soon. As I speak right now, ARSN is still going up. It's a new high of the day. Really great to see that. EQLB is making some good moves here as well, and got some other folks in here. So what's going on, Papa Wolfeck, Connie, Tom, Jesse? Good to see you guys. And I'll go ahead and share my screen with you and let you know what's been going on. So let's see here. I talked to you guys last night about EQLB, why I thought it was going to be moving the way that it was. And the reason why it was moving that way was because looked previously at the news here about Kevin Harrington, which is one of the original sharks from Shark Tank, is involved with EQLB. And they're basically, it's a beverage company. So they're going to be promoting their beverage products, and not only do they have Kevin Harrington on board, but they also have celebrity and music producer Timbaland also involved here. This is the CEO's Instagram page. It is his business page, so he has Timbaland here. There's an interview with him, or not interview. They were talking strategy as far as implementation goes, and this has all been very recently, within the last week or so. This here is their drink that they're selling and producing. And it's just, it's really been moving so far. So we talked about this at 012 from the chart perspective. I really like the chart because it appeared that we were looking at a cup and handle pattern here. And it looks as if it is playing out exactly how we wanted it to play out. Almost 100% gains since we've started talking about it here on Stockwatch Sunday from last week. It's been quite a move. As you can see, a couple folks within our We Trade HQ family got a 1-2 and even lower than that. So it's been an amazing ride so far. And we'll see where EQLB goes. So this is one thing that can get a penny stock moving. Just heavy involvement with very successful investors, such as people like Kevin Harrington. You don't see stuff like that too often within the over-the-counter stock world or in penny stocks in general, especially with Timbaland being there. I think it's pretty big news. Now, we haven't seen or heard anything from them since August. This news is from the August area, but like I said, they're now talking about this kind of stuff just now. So Timbaland and Kevin Harrington are heavily involved, and like I said, they were just recently seen talking on the CEO's Instagram just last week. So should be interesting to see what kind of PRs come out. We always like to get in before the news hits, so that, as I was alluding to last night within my Stockwatch Sunday segment, we always try to sniff this out to see if there's going to be a potential PR in the near future. Which PR what I mean by that is press release. So we'll see. I think EQLB, if news comes out and it's very positive, with the share structure being the way it is, I could see this thing going to at least 5 cents or maybe even more. Not saying that it will go there, but I certainly think the potential is there. Other one that I wanted to follow up with you guys on was ARSN. We talked about this last night about how I was still a little on the fence about how this was going to be moving, and then I did take a starter position. I have since added to my position on ARSN only because it looked as if traction is now being picked up. So we talked about this last night and it was down in the lower 1 cent range. It's now up about 24%, had highs of 32% today. And so it is definitely moving. What I really like about ARSN is the share structure. If this share structure was just recently updated by the transfer agent, it seems to be the only thing right now that seems to be active. But they did come out with news about an acquisition involving Yuengling Ice Cream. It is related to the brewing company. Yuengling Brewing Company is America's oldest brewery. And for me personally, I still would like to see some disclosures and get them getting current before they come out with anything else as far as a press release goes. The reason why I'm saying that is because we've seen this time and time again where they can't get themselves current. They start putting out press release after press release. All of a sudden, a CE comes out because they were putting out PR after PR without getting current. So hopefully those are going to be appearing. If I start to see filings, I'm going to get really excited about ARSN and certainly think that I would be happy with my entry here in ARSN. I know a lot of other folks within our WeTrade HQ family saw some value in this as well, and it's pretty exciting to see this thing popping off. A couple other ones to note is NNRX. NNRX has gone nuts today so far. I know we talked about that last night about how I personally felt that it was probably too late of an entry to get in because of the volatility that it's experiencing right now. Well, lo and behold, it's up 40% today from the 000 range. It's up about, it's at 0059 right now as we speak. It started at 000 range only a week ago, so amazing move on NNRX. A couple other ones of note. ADSV came out with an AK. Some folks are in that one as well. I think that's up about 40% or so. And SBES came out with an AK. We talked about this in my morning mentorship. I saw some value within that AK that came out. It had a 52-week high of 0.008 cents per share. Cannot seem to get over that 0.008 cents per share price point. So I decided to sell my initial entry, or I got in at 0006 and then just went ahead and sold it because it didn't seem as if the momentum was there. SBS share structure is quite large. Really not all that big for a 000 stock, but we'll see where that ends up. I might be wrong on that one. You know, I'll be the first one to tell you that I'm human. I make mistakes too, even though I'm pretty experienced at this point. But, you know, none of us are perfect. So we'll see where SBES goes. I don't like to particularly bash any particular stock just to try to avoid any of that drama. But, you know, I just, if it doesn't look good, then I don't trade it. So having said all that, I think that is all we've got. Any questions, guys? Hussein, what's going on, man? So it doesn't look like there's too much else going on. There's some folks tuning in, so I do appreciate that. Thanks for tuning into my midday market recap. If you're new to my channel, I go live every day during the middle of the day, anywhere between noon and 1 p.m. It's a little bit on the later side today. I had some internet issues, so I was trying to work through all that, which is why I got a late start to the day. But if you are interested in checking in with me every day and seeing what's moving in the market, I suggest that you subscribe and hit that little alert bell and give this video a thumbs up. If you're interested in joining our free trading group, our free platform, it's called WeTrade HQ, and then you can you can do technical analysis and communicate with other like-minded individuals within our free platform. Everybody there learns and grows and celebrates each other's success. It's a really great community to be part of, guys, and we are growing very, very fast, and I think for good reason. So, and just to let you know, the platform is also not just geared towards penny stocks. We have big board stocks. We have mentors that are able to help you learn and grow as well if you feel like you're struggling and you just need that helping hand. So they're available to you as well. If you're trading big board stocks, if you're trading options, Forex, cryptocurrencies, and even, yes, penny stocks, no matter what you're trading within the market, WeTrade HQ is the place for you. Guys, that is all I've got for you guys today. If you are looking for that one-on-one mentorship, I know a lot of folks were mentioning that. I finally have that up and running. There's very limited spots available. The link is down below for that as well. And I will see you guys all before the bell. That's it for me. B. Smith is out.